Facebook Ads for Private Schools 2023, Step-by-Step Tutorial Updated. Learn how to create highly effective Facebook ads specifically tailored for private schools in this comprehensive step-by-step tutorial. By implementing the strategies outlined in this video, you'll be able to drive substantial traffic and increase student enrollment. It's crucial to pay attention to every detail, as Facebook's advertising landscape for private schools has evolved significantly in recent times. Skipping any part of this tutorial could put your ad at risk of being disabled or result in a complete block of your Facebook ad account. Throughout this tutorial, I will break down the key changes that have occurred in the past year, providing you with concise and easy-to-follow instructions. By the end of the video, you'll have a fully optimized ad ready to attract potential students within 24 hours. It's my aim to ensure your success, so make sure not to miss a single second of this tutorial. I want to share an important update before we dive into the tutorial. If you'd rather not spend money on Facebook ads or if it seems too complicated, I have an exciting solution for you. Click the link in the comments below to book a call with our team. During the call, we'll provide a personalized demo of our game-changing software. For just $99 per month, our software brings in students 24/7 without spending a dime on Facebook ads. Over 10,000 local brick-and-mortar business owners have found it to be indispensable when it comes to generating new referrals and bringing people through their doors. Anyways, click that link in the comments and book your demo with my partner Nick, and you can see more. Now, on to today's tutorial. Now, without further ado, let's explore step-by-step how to create a highly effective Facebook ad specifically designed for private schools. This ad is not only geared towards attracting potential students but also generating leads for your school. It's a creative approach that has proven successful in acquiring a significant number of leads from parents seeking quality education for their children. Follow along with me as I share my screen and guide you through this transformative journey. Remember, running a successful ad campaign can make a substantial difference for your private school, so let's get started and unlock the power of Facebook advertising for your school. Access Facebook Ads Manager. On the left-hand side of your Facebook page, locate and click on Ads Manager. If you don't see it there, click on See More and scroll down until you find it. If you haven't set up your business manager for running ads previously, you'll need to do that first. Create a new campaign. In the Facebook Ads Manager, click on Create Campaign. We'll focus on lead generation to ensure we generate quality leads that will result in student enrollment. Select Manual Leads Campaign. Facebook offers streamlined and tailored best practice lead recommendations, but for more control and better results, we'll choose the Manual Leads Campaign option. This allows us to have maximum control over our lead generation campaign. Name your campaign. It's important to name your campaign appropriately for easy tracking and analysis. Let's use the example of private school enrollment start date. Naming your campaign accurately will help you keep track of its performance and avoid confusion when analyzing data. Set campaign parameters. Now, let's move on to setting the campaign parameters. You'll need to define your target audience, budget, and ad creative. Make sure to specify your target location, age range, and interests relevant to your private school's target market. Craft engaging ad creative. Create compelling ad content that highlights the benefits and unique selling points of your private school. Use high-quality visuals and persuasive copy to grab the attention of parents and showcase the value of your school's education. Test and optimize. Once your campaign is live, monitor its performance closely. Analyze the data provided by Facebook Ads Manager and make necessary adjustments to optimize your campaign. This may involve tweaking targeting parameters, ad creative, or budget allocation. Track leads and increase enrollment. As leads start coming in, track their progress and engage with parents promptly. Provide excellent customer service, answer inquiries, and nurture leads to convert them into enrolled students. By following these steps and continuously refining your Facebook ad campaign, you can effectively attract more students and increase enrollment for your private school. After accepting the terms, we need to ensure that we select the special ad category that is still required for certain industries, including private schools. This category helps in providing a better user experience and complying with Facebook's advertising policies. Remember to choose the country where you'll run the campaign, example, United States or Canada. Moving on to the different sections of creating a Facebook ad, we have the campaign, ad set, and ad itself. Each section plays a crucial role in the overall success of your ad campaign. In the campaign section, our objective is to generate leads for student enrollment. You don't need to worry about A/B testing or advanced campaign budget optimization. Simply select the lead generation objective and proceed to the next step. Next, in the ad set section, name your ad set accordingly. For example, you can use private school enrollment, location. This name helps define your target audience, whether they are parents looking for quality education or specific demographics. Remember, this section is where you set your targeting parameters, budget, and options like custom audiences, lookalike audiences, and retargeting. Now, let's focus on the ad section itself, where you create the ad content. Since we're aiming for lead generation, we'll stick with the instant form option, which asks people to fill out a form to inquire about enrollment. This form typically converts better than driving traffic to a website. Make sure to connect your Facebook page and accept the terms for meta lead ads. This step ensures that your lead generation ad is set up correctly and that you can run it seamlessly. At this point, you're well on your way to creating a powerful Facebook ad campaign for your private school. In the following steps, we will proceed to fine-tune your targeting, optimize your ad creative, and monitor its performance to ensure optimal results. Remember to stay attentive to any updates or changes in Facebook's ad policies and regulations. This will help you stay compliant and make the most of your advertising efforts in promoting your private school and attracting prospective students. If you operate a private school in a smaller market, the minimum radius you can select is 15 miles due to the special ad category requirements for housing. Unfortunately, you cannot choose a postal code or zip code for targeting purposes. Keep in mind that the Facebook algorithm is highly effective in identifying and targeting the right audience based on engagement. Therefore, detailed targeting may not be necessary for your private school ads. The algorithm will analyze who engages with your ads and show them to similar people while reducing exposure to those who do not engage. Based on my own experience and having spent a significant budget on Facebook ads, I found that blanket targeting combined with retargeting using custom audiences yields the best results. In your case as a private school, you may consider targeting specific interests related to education, parenting, or extracurricular activities that align with your school's offerings. Additionally, if you're in Canada, you can explore targeting behaviors such as educational financing or real estate-related interests to reach potential parents or families interested in quality education. When it comes to placements, there are two approaches you can consider. Advanced placements: if you have a significant budget, a longer campaign duration, and the resources to test different options, you can maximize your budget and show your ads across multiple placements. This approach allows you to gather more data and insights. However, it requires more time and resources. Streamlined placements: if your goal is to generate leads quickly, and you may not have the luxury of time or a large budget, you can take control over placements. Remove placements that may not be relevant for your private school ads, such as audience network, stories, or reels. In this case, focusing on the core Facebook newsfeed placement can be effective. Remember that every business is unique, and it's important to monitor and analyze the performance of your ads. Adjust your strategy based on the data and insights you gather to optimize your campaigns and achieve the best results. As a private school, targeting parents, emphasizing educational benefits, and showcasing your unique offerings will be key to attracting prospective students and increasing enrollment. Now we'll proceed with setting up the ad within the ad set for your private school. First, let's discuss the budget. In the example, it suggests a budget that can reach a certain number of leads per day based on the ad spend. However, it's important to note that even if Facebook shows 0 leads for a smaller budget, it doesn't mean you won't generate any leads. Sometimes Facebook's algorithm tries to encourage higher spending. I've personally seen leads generated with smaller budgets as well. So don't be discouraged by the 0 leads indication. Moving on, let's name the ad. In this case, since we're focusing on generating leads for your private school, you can use a name like Private School Enrollment, City Name. Now, for the ad format, the tutorial suggests using a single image ad. However, I recommend considering other formats as well, such as carousel ads or video ads. These formats allow you to showcase multiple images or videos in a single ad, which can be beneficial for highlighting different aspects of your private school, such as facilities, teaching methods, extracurricular activities, or testimonials from happy students and parents. Be sure to tailor the visuals and descriptions to emphasize the unique selling points of your school. Choose the format that best suits your objectives and the content you have available. Next, let's proceed with creating the ad. Follow the steps provided in the tutorial to set up the chosen ad format. Finally, if you haven't connected your Instagram account yet, you can do so by following the instructions in the tutorial. Instagram can be a valuable platform for reaching parents and potential students. By having the connection, you can expand your ad's reach and engage with your target audience on both Facebook and Instagram. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to launch your ad and start generating leads for your private school. Remember to monitor the performance of your ads, make adjustments as needed, and analyze the data to optimize your campaigns. Keep in mind that the tutorial may have additional steps and details specific to the real estate industry. Adapt the information to suit the needs and objectives of your private school's enrollment campaign. At this stage of the tutorial, we suggest discarding the automatically pulled media by Facebook, as it may not be relevant to your private school. Instead, you should add your own images that showcase your school and its offerings. To add your own images, follow the instructions provided in the tutorial. You can either select images that are already uploaded to your account or upload new ones. Choose high-quality images that highlight your school's campus, classrooms, students engaged in learning activities, sports events, arts performances, or any other aspects that make your school unique. These visuals will capture the attention of potential parents and instill confidence in the quality of education you provide. When selecting an image, Facebook offers options to crop it to fit the ad. It's recommended to choose an aspect ratio that effectively utilizes the available space on the screen. Ensure that the most important elements of the image are visible and consider cropping or repositioning if necessary. Once you've added and adjusted your images, click Next to proceed. Now, let's move on to crafting the text for your ad. Pay attention to the following key elements. Primary text. This is the text that will appear at the top of your ad. Write compelling copy that immediately captures the attention of parents seeking the best education for their children. Emphasize the unique benefits of your private school, such as academic excellence, individualized attention, nurturing environment, advanced facilities, extracurricular opportunities, or success stories of your alumni. Headline. The headline appears below the primary text and should further entice viewers to engage with your ad. Consider using attention-grabbing phrases like "Unlock your child's potential with our private school" or "Enroll your child in a prestigious private school today." Call to action. CTA. Choose a CTA that prompts viewers to take action and inquire about your school. For private school ads, CTAs like "Learn more," "Schedule a tour," or "Apply now" work well. Select a CTA that aligns with the desired action you want potential parents to take. After crafting your primary text, headline, and CTA, it's time to create a lead form. Lead forms allow users to provide their contact information directly within the Facebook platform, making it easier for them to express interest or request more information. Name the form to reflect its purpose, such as Private School Enrollment Contact Form. Follow the steps provided in the tutorial to set up your lead form, including selecting the fields you want to capture, example, parent's name, email, phone number, adding a privacy policy link, and customizing the thank you screen users will see after submitting the form. Once you've created your lead form, you can save your progress and proceed to the next steps in the tutorial, which may include selecting the campaign objective, targeting your audience, and reviewing ad placement options. Remember to adapt the instructions to the context of your private school and modify any details as needed to suit your specific goals and preferences. Next, let's discuss some important considerations when setting up the lead form for your private school's Facebook ad campaign. In the tutorial, the presenter mentions some features that you don't need to worry about, such as customizing sections or telling your brand story through rich text visuals. These elements may not be necessary for your specific needs as a private school owner. Instead, let's focus on optimizing the lead form for higher intent and better lead quality. One strategy is to include a review step in the form, giving people the opportunity to confirm their information before submission. This extra step might increase the cost per lead slightly but can result in higher quality leads. By auto-populating the form with their Facebook information, you might get more volume but potentially lower lead quality due to outdated contact details. When deciding between more volume and higher intent, consider your budget and goals. If you have a flexible budget and prioritize lead quality, opt for higher intent where users need to confirm their information. On the other hand, if you're a new private school with a limited budget, you might choose more volume initially to generate as many leads as possible. Now, let's move on to the customization options for the lead form. Facebook allows you to use a custom image as the background for your form. It's recommended to use an image that represents your private school or showcases its unique features. This visual consistency can help establish your brand and build trust with potential parents. In terms of the headline for the lead form, you can use a variation such as "Discover the best private school education for your child in your location." Keep the headline consistent with the overall message of your ad text for better alignment and clarity. Moving on to the questions in the lead form, it's generally advisable to include fields for the parent's name, email, and phone number. The preferred order is full name, email, and then phone number, as this sequence tends to yield better results. To guide parents, provide a brief description below the questions, such as, "Please submit your information, including your full name, email, and phone number, so we can provide you with more details about our exceptional private school programs." Lastly, you need to include a privacy policy. To do this, navigate to your private school's website and locate the privacy policy page. Copy the URL of the privacy policy page and paste it into the designated field in the lead form settings. This ensures compliance with privacy laws and builds trust with parents by assuring them that their information will be handled responsibly. By following these guidelines, you can optimize your lead form for generating high-quality leads for your private school. Remember to adapt the instructions to fit your specific business needs and ensure consistency throughout your ad campaign. Now, let's focus on the key elements specifically tailored for private school owners who want to generate more enrollments. Here's how you can optimize your lead form. Review screen. Implementing a review screen in your lead form allows potential parents to review their information before submitting it. This step ensures that their contact details, such as their name, email, and phone number, are correct. It's crucial for follow-up purposes and helps maintain accurate records for enrollment. Message for leads. After parents submit their information, it's essential to provide a compelling message that encourages them to take the next step. Consider using a message like, "Thank you for choosing your private school name. Click below to learn more about our exceptional educational programs and schedule a personalized tour of our campus." Call to action button. Customize the call to action button to match the action you want parents to take. For instance, you can use schedule a tour, apply now, or request information to encourage parents to engage further and initiate the enrollment process. Relevant link. Determine the appropriate link to include in your lead form. Ideally, it should direct parents to a page on your website that provides comprehensive information about your private school, including curriculum, faculty, extracurricular activities, and admission procedures. Make sure the page is visually appealing, informative, and highlights the unique aspects of your school. Description. In the description section, emphasize the benefits that parents and students will receive by submitting their information. For example, unlock the doors to exceptional education and personalized learning opportunities by submitting your information. Discover how your private school name can nurture your child's academic, social, and personal growth in a supportive and enriching environment. Contact information. To further facilitate parent inquiries and engagement, consider including your contact information in the message for leads. Encourage parents to reach out if they have any questions, need additional information, or want to schedule a meeting with the admissions team. Providing multiple contact options, such as your phone number, email address, and even social media handles, can enhance parent convenience and accessibility. Remember, by optimizing your lead form with these relevant elements, you can effectively capture leads, nurture parent relationships, and ultimately increase enrollments for your private school. As a private school owner, your goal is to attract more students and increase enrollments. It's crucial to implement effective strategies that can help you achieve this. One powerful approach is leveraging targeted advertising on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. By creating compelling ads that highlight your school's unique offerings and value proposition, you can capture the attention of potential parents and drive them to explore your school further. Imagine showcasing your school's exceptional academic programs, dedicated faculty, state-of-the-art facilities, and nurturing learning environment. By highlighting these strengths in your ads, you'll stand out from other schools and attract parents who are seeking a high-quality education for their children. Optimizing your ads for maximum impact is important. Utilize visually appealing images or videos, captivating headlines, and concise yet persuasive ad copy to convey your school's message effectively. Consider featuring success stories of your students or testimonials from satisfied parents to build trust and showcase your school's achievements. By running targeted ads on these platforms, you can reach a wider audience of parents who may be actively seeking the right school for their children. As a result, you'll increase your chances of converting potential parents into enrollees. Remember, the key to successful advertising lies in crafting compelling messages that resonate with your target audience. Put yourself in the shoes of parents who may be searching for the best educational opportunities for their children. Address their concerns, highlight the benefits of your school, and offer solutions that demonstrate your school's expertise and commitment to their child's education. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to drop a comment below. As a private school owner, it's crucial to stay informed about effective advertising strategies that can drive more students to your institution. And if you'd rather not spend money on Facebook ads or if it seems too complicated, I have an exciting solution for you. Click the link in the comments below to book a call with our team. During the call, we'll provide a personalized demo of our game-changing software. For just $99 per month, our software brings in students 24/7 without spending a dime on Facebook ads. Discover how our software can revolutionize your private school by automating student acquisition and boosting your enrollments. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your institution to the next level. Click the link in the comments below, book a call with our team, and see firsthand how our software can transform your student base and revenue streams. Invest in the future of your private school and let our software do the heavy lifting for you. Say goodbye to the complexities and costs of Facebook ads. Book your call now and unlock the potential of our 100% autopilot software in attracting new students.